What's up, YouTube? Friends, family? How's everybody doing? Thanks for coming. Thanks for hanging out. So today I just got some parts I've been waiting on. First of all, there's been a couple of spots on my videos. So I must have got some spot weld on the camera lens, so I had to buy a new lens. So that's one of the main reasons I haven't put out a video in the past, 4 or 5 days. And then we were waiting on welding wire, some tips, 0.023 welding wire and tips, and then also some seam sealer and something else. But what we're going to do is we're going to try and set up the welder with the 0.023 wire, and then we just have some little spot welds to do. This will be a quick video just to set up the welder, and then tomorrow I'll get more in depth and actually get some work done. So if you could take a minute, subscribe, like, comment if you feel the need, all that good stuff. Thanks for everything. So all welders are different when it comes to settings. Usually inside the cover it'll have like a basic setup, and then you just fine tune it from there. Here, I'll show you real quick. So we'll shut it off. This is a Craftsman before I think they went out of business. I don't think they make it anymore. So we're running with gas. So we have hot to hot, ground to ground. Now if you're running with no gas, flux core, you reverse the polarity. So you have hot to negative, negative to hot. Yeah. Output polarity. That's what that is. But this is your basic setup. Steel. We're running a 0.23 wire. And this is probably around 20 gauge. So we're going to try min 2, wire feed 4. And then it just goes from there. Most welders have something of this sort. They come up with some kind of setup manual. So just check that out. And we'll run a couple of beads and see how it does. Hopefully I don't melt my lens again. I'm going to keep you guys a little bit away, just in case. It actually looks really good. I got my gas up a little bit too high. I'll try another one right here. Blew through it. So all I did was turn it down a notch. You see how much different it is? Now I'm going a little bit too fast. I need to spread it out a little bit. Looks good. So we're just going to do some spot welds. There's a weld here. Probably right here. There's a few of them around. So we'll do that, and then yeah, let's do that. Got to get used to this wire. It's working out pretty good though. Filled that hole in, filled that hole in. Fixed that weld right there. We'll have to grind that down a little bit. The biggest issue is this car was hit in this corner. So we're trying to get it to look good. It's never going to be perfect. But this is going to be a daily driver, so we don't have to worry about perfect. I'm not a professional welder. I've welded for quite a few years, but definitely if you're trying to learn how to weld, there's some great welding channels. Check them out. Definitely gonna have to grind that. So we got a few of these welds done. We fixed here. We're gonna have to grind this down, but and there's some little spots. Just little spot welds, you know. It's we're at the point where it's kind of I don't know if it's video worthy even showing this stuff, but we'll put it up and you know see what you guys think. If you got any pointers, man, feel free to, you know, shoot me some pointers. Like I said, I'm not a professional by any means. We still have some stuff. I tried to go around and mark it. So we have some stuff down there. But I did want to show you guys and girls that I got this, the parts brought in. They were in storage. So I did the body work on this. It's not completely done. It's hard as a rock, but it's not completely done. I did that probably a year ago, every bit of a year ago. And then we also fixed right here. These were broken. So we welded those up. Same thing on the other side. They had a ski rack attached to the back, and the ski rack rattled so much it broke it. I do have another one, but I wanted to see if this one I could fix it first. So, and it looks like it's going to be pretty good. Then we have the doors. What I'm going to do, probably, we'll do this in the next video. We're going to remove these braces. I'm going to weld a cross brace down here to our new piece of steel, our new frame, just in case. I might weld two of them one at the front, one at the back, just so it doesn't twist. That way we can paint it without having to worry about it move. Because what I need to do is fit the doors and make sure the doors and everything line up. So we'll do that in the next video. Why don't we do that in the next video? Sound good? We will fit all the body parts in the next video. That's the next video. Fitting body panels. Doors, trunk, hood. As long as I can find the hardware. Okay, well if you could, click down at the bottom, subscribe. And I'm going to do some little spot welding. It's pretty boring. So, oh, if you didn't notice, I got the man beard trimmed a little bit. So it's not so, somebody called it Grizzly Adams. So it's not Grizzly anymore, it's just Adams. Anyways, I'll see you guys and girls on the next one. Thanks for watching.